my god, I feel like I'm talking to you for a long time today. I feel like I'm talking to you a lot actually today. And nabado, in Swahili we say nabado. Yeah, I'm still going to talk to you for longer because these are so many lessons, and oh my god, I can't help it but just explain to you how these things work. Without taking too long, let's talk about new things. So today we are not going to talk about HTML. Like last time we talked about lists, but what if today we just dive in and talk about a different thing? So I will go ahead and delete all these things, and let's talk about padding. Okay, it's in CSS, of course. So if we come back to our page, let's talk about padding. Let's talk about these three things: padding, margin, and spacing. Okay, in lesson 6 of CSS, what does these things really mean? Very good question. Well, as you can see, we have step 1, padding and margin. Padding versus margin. This is a very important thing. In fact, I remember I created a picture yesterday. Yesterday I created a picture, and where did I put it? Is it in downloads? Is it downloads? This one. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, I will just align it a little bit, and yeah, let it be there. Padding versus margin. What is really the difference between padding and margin? Well, as you can see, the definition is the space inside the border around content. That is known as padding. So if we come to this image, you will see that I actually made it simple for you. Padding is the white space, okay, between the content and the border. This space in here is known as padding. But margin is the space outside the border around the element. That's how simple this is. Okay, there is nothing else you need to do. This is exactly what it means. So if we are to copy this code, okay, and maybe just apply what we just learned, padding versus margin. Here we will come in here and we're going to create a div. Okay, remember a div is just like a box, and in this div we'll give it a class called box. Okay, because a div is a box. Inside this div, in here, you don't put anything, but if you want, you can go ahead and say box, but in caps. Okay, we have box, and I hate that it brought up this because it's already linked to the CSS, so which means we have to go inside the CSS and look for that file and just remove everything. Okay, now we only have box. So this box will help us understand what padding and margin means. If we come back to CSS and just paste that code, so first let's go slow. Okay, we are creating a class called box, and inside box we open curly braces and we close them. We have padding, we say 20 pixels. Now watch box carefully. We're going to affect this space here around box. If we refresh, you see that's the 20 pixels that we just did. I don't know if you're following me. Now if we want to add the margin, okay, and say 30 pixels, that means we are going outside. So the border, so box, and then padding, which is the 20 pixels we just added. Okay, box, padding, the 20 pixels we just added, and then there is something here after padding is border, and that border is not visible right now because we did not say anything about border here, but you can see that margin is 30 pixels now. They will push even more because we are going outside. We're going outside. This is margin, is the space outside the box. Okay, now look, they are pushing it even more. The more number, let's say 60, the more space we keep adding. The more number, oops, the more space. It's where is it? Let's find it. Where is it? Oh my god, my box is lost. My box is lost. Where are you? Oh my god, you are completely gone. Oh, it's even farther from the screen. I can't see it. Let's bring it back. Let's say 90. Oh, it's back. Thank you. Let's say 190. Oh, okay, so this was the way. Ha, you were passing here. Okay, let's do 390. Ah, I saw you. There you are. You came from there. You kept going. I saw you. Okay, so that's where our box is, and that's the meaning and the difference between padding and margin. If you have any question, please let me know. But we can go back and say 30 pixels, and we'll just say background color. Let's give it a color brown. Now you understand what I'm trying to say here. Okay, this is the background of the whole box. This is the box, and the background is that. If we add borders, it will add borders outside this thing. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me in class or in the comment section, and I will see you in the next one.